All right. Package just came in through Amazon. Got a new razor head cartridge for my Braun Series 7. $45.50, not including shipping. Took over a month, which was a little bit surprising, but it's here. So in case you don't know what happens to these foil heads, the cutter blades actually wind up wearing through the foil, so you wind up with a little hole. If you look carefully there, you can see the hole in the cartridge, which is the barrier between the cutting blade and your skin. So it will remind you, hey, you're overdue for changing your cutting head. Feels a little different than it has in the past, but I guess that's manufacturing these days. Or it might just be that mine's worn down more. It's hard to say. Same head though. Just feels a little funny. Uh-oh. Doesn't want to grab, doesn't want to lock. Just wants to pop out. Okay, I've never had this happen before. And I've probably put like 6 heads on this razor. Not sure what's going on there. Okay, let's just make sure the old one grabs properly. Yep, solid. Grabs perfectly first time, like they always did. This one, not so much. Lock solid. And the new one, not so much. Okay, this is a little baffling. It seems to want to grab now. This is weird. Not filled with confidence that we're going to have quite the longevity out of this head. Wow, this came from in Dublin, Ireland. Interesting. So I'll keep you up to date on how this goes. So, instead of waiting for it to wear out prematurely, I called Braun. And they took my call and have great customer service. I told them about the issue and they said, we don't know what's going on there, and they actually looked into it while I was on the phone, see if there was any record of any issues or anything, and they said they can't see why that's happening, but they stand by their product and they are sending me out a brand new cartridge. It should be to me in about 7 business days, which is great. What more can you ask from a company? I mean, we pay good money for the product, but it's really great when a company stands behind it. So, happy ending. Thanks, Braun. Thanks, folks, for watching.